bring this issue of national importance to the attention of this august House. It concerns our Bandipur Tiger Reserve. Madam, in 2009, the Karnataka government implemented a night ban over the NH 766, which runs through Chamarajanagar district in Karnataka and connects to Wayanad in Kerala. Despite this progressive policy, which was put into place to ensure that wildlife collisions are to a minimum and also the illegal activity that happens during the night time is also at a minimum, the Kerala government has repeatedly sought to lift this ban, and time and again they have approached the Karnataka government. The sitting Chief Minister, who was also Chief Minister in this previous term, had denied the lifting of the night ban twice. Despite this, recently an affidavit was put into the Supreme Court which advocated for an elevated road on an alternative route and keeping the NH76 only for local community use and emergency vehicles. The senior leaders within the Congress have exerted pressure on the Karnataka government to lift this and reconsider lifting the ban and also take back the affidavit that was filed in the Supreme Court. Madam, such interference in Karnataka's affairs, which undermines the state's efforts to protect its natural heritage for the benefit of a few political figures, is deeply condemnable. I respectfully urge you to direct this House and the Ministry to take a firm stance regarding
धन्यवाद
safeguarding